Yeah, hello. This is Joe doing your analysis on your JMB, um, and from what you can see, your ranking for cab services in Lancaster and also taxi services in Lancaster. You come up on the top, so you're already ranking relatively good in Lancaster. I know you want to rank in other areas, and we can help you do that. Your GMB looks okay. You have a lot of photos. You got a lot of posts. Your information's pretty complete. You filled everything out. As far as Google is concerned, they want everything filled out. They don't want any blanks. And that's why you're ranking. That's why they're prioritizing you. Your reviews are awesome. You got 5-star reviews. You have more than your competition, and you have photos, and you do posts regularly. I see, which is great. You got to keep doing posts. Keep up the work there. Your website is what needs help. You have no authority when it comes to your website. And that's the problem. You need to have a stronger website. What I mean by that, let me see if I can move this. I'll show you some matrix. Copy. These are the matrix on the pool I built. Mr. Clean. This guy, Blaine Jared is his name. He's Mr. Clean. I built this website about a year and a half ago, and he wanted to rank in other cities, and so I added, Goodyear Pool Service. He's Mr. Clean Pool Service. He specializes in Avondale, in Arizona, and he wanted to rank in Goodyear, so I created a sub page for him to help him do that. And you just do a lot of SEO stuff with it. These are his numbers. He's got 10 trust flow. I mean, these numbers could be better, but he's getting a ton of calls. He gets a lot of calls from the surrounding cities of Arizona, Avondale, and surrounding cities. And then these are your matrix, your numbers. You don't have any. And so that has a negative impact on your website. The other thing is, this is Mr. Pooh Clean Service. This is the domain ranking and the referring domain. In fact, you know what? Let me back up here. I'm going to pause you. I had to log into my account for to get your website analyzed, and yeah, so there's no results for this query, so there's no matrix, that you have no numbers, and again, it's partly because it's a Google site and it's free and it's pretty generic, and also on your this is my other tool that I use to check. Let's see, this thing lets me go without doing a bunch. Nope, I have to verify it. So, excuse me. So these are your numbers. You have 6 backlinks, but you have no rating on your domain, and so it needs work. That's what's gonna propel your website to pop, to go up in the rankings in other cities. So that's what I recommend you do. I can help you build you a nice website, like this one, where you have a bunch of pages and just a ton of context. You need a lot of information, pictures, and relevant information, well-written information pertaining to your service. Yeah, you need your reviews are great and all that, but you just need more content, and And keywords also, you know, like I did keywords. Anytime you see a bold, like see pool serviceman, expert Avondale, you know, all these are keywords that I use to help for ranking for these particular words. Avondale and Goodyear, Arizona for swimming pool and equipment repair. So, you know, you need to have keywords sprinkled throughout your content, and that helps tremendously with the rankings. So that's what I recommend. If you need my help, let me know. I have a pretty economical entry-level SEO program. It's $79.95 a month, and I build a website, and I just, you know, slowly build it. You can spend $300 to $400 a month, and you can get faster rankings. But my $79.95 is a slow method to get you to rank, but you do get a nice site built. I add pages, you know, as we go, and you pay a fraction of what it would cost. A page like this will cost about $2,500 to build, plus the monthly maintenance I do on it. So anyway, let me know if you need my help. Thank you.